How to fix LinkedIn login problem. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, try updating the app. Updating the application will fix the bugs. Open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for LinkedIn. You can see the results over here. Find the application for LinkedIn and tap on it. Over here, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and it will be updated. All the bugs will be fixed. Your problem should also be fixed. If you're still not being able to log into your account, what you can do is clear the cache. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for LinkedIn and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If you're still not being able to log into your account, uninstall the LinkedIn application and install it again. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. Sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. In that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart your device. After the device is restarted, temporary software glitches will be fixed. You should be able to log in to your LinkedIn account. Like this, you can fix LinkedIn login problem. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.